Where do you discover new Sunday recipes? I find them online. I get them from cookbooks. I learn from cooking shows. I discover them through food blogs. I ask friends and family for recommendations. I experiment with my own creations. I find inspiration from social media. I attend cooking classes. I discover them in food magazines. I find them at farmers markets. I learn from cooking workshops. I discover them in food festivals. I find them through recipe apps. I learn from culinary schools. I discover them in food-related websites. I find them from local chefs. I learn from food documentaries. I discover them in recipe books. I find them through food vlogs. I learn from experienced home cooks. Please subscribe to my channel.